from itechnews.gr. Today we're going to see a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker that I received from Banggood. It's the BlitzWolf BW-F4 bass speaker. It's with 10 watt. It's a speaker with a 4000 milliampere battery, wireless, hands-free. It comes with a microphone. Very good. BlitzWolf is a well-known company for its accessories, and that's why I have chosen this kind of speaker. I have one more from Xiaomi, so I wanted to compare it with it. So it came to me with priority direct mail, as you can see here, without any problems and without having to pay anything extra. So let's open it here and this one here. So this is the package, really heavy, I have to say. BlitzWolf model BW-F4, made in China. There is a sticker, black color, nothing else. So let's open up the package to see what's inside it. Thank you for choosing BlitzWolf. So here it is, the speaker, really heavy, really heavy, I have to say. As you can see, here is for the mobile, for the phone, for decreasing or increasing the volume, and here it's for the next and the previous song, and for stopping. BlitzWolf X-Bass Bluetooth speaker. Here we see it's the power button and micro USB slot and the ear jack slot. Nothing else. Really heavy. Let's see what's else in the box. Here's for the earphone slot, a cable for charging with micro USB, we have a user manual in English, how you can use the speaker. As you can see here, the transmission distance is up to 10 meters with maximum output power of 10 watts. Dimensions of the speaker is 200 millimeters to 60 millimeters to 64 millimeters. The signal noise ratio is below 80 decibel. With a frequency of 160 Hz to 20 kHz. The distortion is less than 1%. Rated voltage 3.7 volt. Battery included is 4000 milliampere, so it's going to last really for a very long time. And it needs about 3 to 4 hours in order to fully charge it. Now we're going to connect it for the first time with my Xiaomi Mi 5S Plus to see how it works. And here we have a card from BlitzWolf. This is the warranty. It says here you have an 18-month manufacturer warranty. So let's power it up. You see here it's ready. Now this is the page of the Bluetooth speaker at Banggood page, what it has. So let's see. No. So we're going to search about it. BW-F4, BW-F4, connecting. Why? Yeah, for some reason I had to place my mobile next to the speaker in order to recognize it. So as you can see now it says here connected in Greek. So we don't want to disconnect, so we come here. It says mobile sound, multimedia sound, and share of use of the speaker, name of the speaker, we can change it if we would like, and here's to stop the connection between our mobile and the BlitzWolf speaker. So let's hear some sounds that has inside it. The Xiaomi. Really very loud sound. Let's try another one. Really strong sound. Really good, I have to say. So if you want to buy a speaker which has really strong sound, you could try the BlitzWolf BW-F4 speaker, which has an extra abilities, as you can see here. And come over to itechnews.gr and read the detailed review in Greek, or igeekphone.com in order to read it in English. And don't forget that till the mid of December we have a giveaway at itechnews.gr with 5 prizes celebrating our first year on the internet. So this is Matt Doctor with BlitzWolf BW-F4 Bluetooth speaker for iTech News and iGeek Phone. Bye.